Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. Second regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, June the 20th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the Three Stars Sudoku. So two puzzles are left, the Jigsaw Sudoku and the Four Stars Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Not now. Now I will continue with the regular puzzles. And the news of today, well, Donald Sutherland has died. Yeah, at age 88. Yeah, the actor. Yeah, Kelly's Heroes. Anyway, um, this will be number 8755. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has actually 24 printed digits. Yeah, Four Stars Sudoku has always 24 printed digits. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, yeah, 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 in the second row, no 9 there. The only place left, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Okay. 1, 1. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this third column. One of the missing numbers are 1. Here can be 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here or there. We see another 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. The only place left, the 1 should be there. Then 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. I cannot continue with 1. 1, 1, 1. No. Okay. How about? Yeah, we have a pair, I believe. The 1 and a 7 in this column, the 1 and a 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 1 and 7 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and 7, 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. And look, we have 1 and a 7 in the second row, so no 1 and a 7 in this box. 1 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. All right. Okay. 3, 4, and 8. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in the third column should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Then 4, 4. The 4 here and there. I need a 6 and I need a 2. 2 in this row. Last row, 2 in a row above. So in that row, the only place left for 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Let me mark those. Done. Then. 7. How about the number 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left the 8 should be there. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5. That means 1 digit left. Oh, no. We have 3, 4, 5. We have a 4 in one of these 3 boxes in this column, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 6 then. 1 box left in this column for number the 1. Need a 2 here. Yeah. Need a 2 here. What are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6. 3, 6 here. Okay. Then let me see. Need a 1 here. Well. Okay. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 5. Yeah. 2, 2, need a 2 there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 in that box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between, the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between, the column between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes all the way to 2. We have a 2 now in the middle row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can't see. Digit number 2. Okay, now 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only place left for the 4, it should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then, let me see, 4, 4. Well. Need a 1. Need a 7. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7. And look, we have a 1 and a 7 in this column. No 1 and a 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 6. Alright. 6, 6. Yeah. Okay, and now. 4, 4, okay. Let me think. 7. Yes, 7 there. 3, 5, 6. 2 numbers left in this row. The 1 the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. So we have 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 5 are missing here. 3 and the 5, okay. Here also 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means we have a 5 in one of those two boxes in this row. This box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above the only place level 3 should be there. So 1 number left in this row. 4 number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. Need a 7 here. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. The 5 is missing, the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. These 3 missing numbers should be the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there, and the 8 is missing. 8 could be everywhere. Alright. Okay. Well. Then need a 3 here. 6. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. Come on. Where's the 8? Need a 8 here. 1, 8, 7, and a 5. Need a 5 here. Well. No 5 here. 5. 5. 1. I'm thinking. I need a 3 here. Need a 6 there. I'm thinking, come on. 7. Need a 7 there. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is number 7. Here can be 7. We have 7 in the last row. No 7 there. Here can be 7. We have 7 in this big square. So no 7 there. So the only place left of 7 should be there. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 now in the first row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so the third row. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last column. 1 in the column next, so in that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. I marked those 2 boxes early with the 1 and the 7. So 1 digit left in this row for number 7. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. Okay. And now. 3 in this row. 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 8. Yes, 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with the 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left here, the 4 and 8. We have an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 4 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left. Oh wait, 1 number left in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing here. Yeah, this is a 2. Okay, 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers to 1. Sorry, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers to 1, the 2, 3 and the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. The 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left, the 6 should be there. Then 3 and the 4. 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 6 and 8, we have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 and a 5, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers, nope. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there, and the final 2 numbers, the 3 and a 5, we have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish, 17 minutes, wow. But we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1-star puzzle. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.